note. Here's the song of my inner God. I will follow my inner God. I will follow my inner God.
They will fight and run away. Mother, tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, they have you buried all your children. Tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, they have you buried all your children. Tell me, so I say. Forest walls and starry ceiling walls and curtains that you're leaving, and the stories that you keep inside your head. She can't keep them all safe. They will die and be afraid. Mother, tell me, so I say. Mother, tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, they have you buried all your children. Tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, they have you buried all your children. Tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, where have you buried all your children? Tell me, so I say. Happy Hare, where have you buried all your children? Tell me, so I say. Tell me, so I say.
On the mountain top, whisper to me words in a voice so small, like the one that to Elijah called. Quiet as a candle, bright as the morning sun. Though the fire and wind showered down the hills with the rage and the fear that shook the firmament, he was louder than them, clatter of brass and drums. I know know you want me to be afraid. I know you want me to love you. Still the wild wind blows out by the grave of an angry ghost. Fire waves from broken cannon and rose to build a wall so high it reaches the heavens in the sky. I know you want me to be afraid. I know you want me to love you. I know you want me to be afraid. I know you want me to love you.
Still you beat your drum, racing holy war with every strum, shouting down the quiet kingdom come, brushing at your fingers, hoping you'll come. Oh,